What's going on, everybody? So today I wanted to go over the new portal for everyone that has switched over or signed up for the pre-litigation credit repair. I will put a picture up here of what the login page looks like, and then also I will be putting a picture up here of what the portal actually looks like. Obviously I blocked out this client's information, and yes, I'm reading something, but it's just a picture of the portal, so I don't tell y'all nothing wrong. There's a place on here where you can upload any documents you receive from the creditors or credit bureaus. Guys, this is vital that you upload this information. The attorneys are going to need this. It is going to help them spot those violations. So please, please, please upload anything that you receive, or send it to me to upload if you don't know how or don't have the time. But we really need that information. If you'll click on where it says rounds, this is literally going to show you everything that is being mailed to the credit bureaus on your behalf, whether it be late payments, collections, charge-offs, repossessions, bankruptcy, student loans, hard inquiries, you name it, it's all going to be in there, so you can see exactly what we are mailing to the credit bureaus, exactly what we are mailing to the creditors, and exactly what we are mailing on your behalf. There's nothing that you're not going to see in there. It's a lot more information than the Elite Credit Repair, but again, I have a lot more help with the pre-litigation side of this. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with y'all. Last thing, if you do not have your username and password or the link to sign in to the pre-litigation credit repair portal, please get with me so I can get that information over to you. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.